Hello everyone. Do you know that South Australia is now offering up to $75,000 in business grant? Yes, last year it was around $50,000 and it was started in September and it was finished and exhausted in I think in December. So this time it's $75,000, but please remember this is only for businesses. Let me break it down for you that who qualifies and what you can use it for and when it's going to end as well. So it's very important. So let's first talk about what is this state grant is, and this is only for South Australia. This is a part of the Powering Business Grant under the South Australian Business Growth Fund. Yes, the goal is to help small and medium businesses and as well as the non-profit businesses as well to upgrade to the energy efficient system like solar, battery, or energy efficiency things like LEDs and all to reduce power cost as well. Now you can get a grant between $2,500 up to $75,000 excluding GST depending upon your project size as well as your grant is split into a two stream. So let's talk about those streams. First of all, solar plus battery project. So installing a solar and battery or just a battery storage. So you cannot install just a solar in this grant. Stream number 2 is energy efficiency project, upgrade like your insulation, LED lights, refrigerator, and these sort of things as well. You might be thinking who is going to eligible, and so let's talk about quickly who qualifies and eligibility criteria as well. Very simple. You must be a small medium business or a non-profit organization in South Australia. You should hold a valid ABN and you should have a 6 electricity bill as well. You should hold at least you have a $75,000 of your turnover in 2024 and in 2025. And what else? You should actually own or lease the premises where the project will be implementing or going to install as well. And most important thing, the business should provide the match funding. At least 50% of the project cost must come from the business side as well. So for example, if the quote is 100,000, the business will get 50,000 from the government. So the total cost for the business is 50,000. So still this state rebate as well as a cheaper home battery, the business can take it. So that will make a lot of financial sense to any business to grab this grant. The application window, very important, closes at 5 p.m. on 31st October 2025 or earlier if the funds are exhausted. I know I should have made this video before, but anyways, I thought give this information to everyone. So if you don't want to wait, just go and prepare this application, get the code, plan it accordingly, get the bill analysis and get that approved and then install it. If you want to help to checking your bill or eligibility or any criteria, you can DM to us. We are happy to help you for that. Or so, and it's very easy process, be honest with you. The application link isn't on the government application. You just only have to register yourself and then put all the self-explanatory information. It's going to take you only 20 minutes to fill the application, which asks you few business details, which you should have anyways, which is including your insurance, electricity bill and the code and few other information as well. Once you fill that and if that get approved, you can install it and grab this up to $75,000 of grant which is available in South Australia. Hopefully my video help you to understand this grant. If you have any question, please send any you can reply on or a comment. And thank you, and we'll see you on the next video.